welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day for me today. I'm about to head to the exhaust shop and install my stainless long tube headers and midsection exhaust for the C63 AMG. Now this is going to sound nuts. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's aggro.
Yeah, fucking oath. Thank you for that.
No problem. Alrighty, I'll listen to you give it a squirt as you leave. Yeah, like the weather's fine, I was in here. Yeah. They were over there. I'm like, what?
Fucking hell. New AMG center caps, yeah. Headers all installed, exhaust installed, tuned. We're about to have a fucking fun time.
Oh my fucking
It just sounds nuts. We've had the fucking windows up too. Fucking hell. Jesus.
not ready for that actually. I'm just making it.
That's nuts.
It's ridiculous. I feel like I'm in a NASCAR.
Straight up, eh? Actually.
Bro.
Fuck!
What the fuck?
The G-force, bro. This is nuts.
Gnarly.
That's actually crazy. That was fucking nuts.
Holy fuck.
Gee.
Bravo. It feels like a roller coaster, bro.
monster now, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Just a fucking beast.
Another vehicle again, eh? It's like another vehicle again.
Straight up. Hope everyone's doing well. Today is Nelson Cars and Coffee, second Sunday of January. Cars and Coffee is on every second Sunday of each month, and it is the first one of 2025. Hope everyone has a happy new year, a successful new year. I hope everyone achieves what they want to this year. And yeah, let's get right into it. Those pop bangs sound fucking crazy. What's up, bro? What's up, gang? Shit, brother.
Yo, what's
Bro,
up, brother?
how are we?
Good, man. Yourself?
Yeah, good, man, good.
What's up, bro?
Hey, Don.
Yeah, good, eh?
Don.
Chill, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, good, man. How about you?
Yeah, good mate.
That's alright. Ford Falcon, old school one.
Fuck, hey.
That's sick. What's up, bro? That is sick. Mopar. We got the vlogception going on.
Fuck yeah.
Shout out to bro.
Another crazy
Bro, it's cool because I actually used to own one of these before I had this.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I remember that ages ago.
Yeah, I had a 3.5 litre one of these.
True. How'd that go, bro?
Fuck, it was a good car.
Yeah.
I loved it.
That's real cool.
Shit. Yeah, you got the vlog going on too, bro. Vlogception. Fuck yeah, bro.
Who's it? Torsten
Oschlager.
Urschlager.
Oschlager.
You don't see many clean.
No.
As I said before, we love these fat fucking exhausts.
It's fucking cute. I get to drive these all the time at work.
Yeah, bro.
They are so much fun.
Yeah?
Yeah, bro. Three-cylinder turbo makes 300 horsepower. Ooh. That's clean. Oh, god damn, that shit hitting, man.
Yeah.
That's fucking cool. Chevy. That's me. The Seaman Demon.
Yeah, the Seaman Demon.
RS3, yeah.
That's a really fucking awesome car.
That is clean.
Well,
The Tino machine.
He keeps his car quite clean.
He does. Shout out to brother Tino. It's good to see, man. We got all the boys out vlogging. Shout out Wild Eye Rides over there. Shout out to bro Kane.
Hey.
Shout out to bro Levi. Yeah, got the bros chilling in the back. Cheers, boys. Sheesh. That thing's crazy. I see this thing around all the time, mate.
Yeah, there's a lot going on with it.
Yeah, there is a lot going on with it. Brake limits, not hearts.
Yeah.
I like that.
Expensive fucking
TRD grill.
Yeah, it's even got the old plugs on it. It's quite cool.
I like it. Euro power. Side exit exhaust. That's gnarly, eh? Madness. Bloody oath, mate. That's sick. Not as many cars out today, but still a goodie. I think it's because it's the start of the year, everyone's kind of just in holiday mode still and kind of just forgot. Because fuck, usually this car park would be packed.
Yeah.
Still a goodie. Oh, that was a good coffee, eh?
That was a good coffee.
That was really good.
Up the mini curb.
She's gone around the car park like twice, like what's going on?
Interesting, yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh, this is the dude that rolled up on a suit, eh?
Yeah.
1987 Honda XLV 750.
Yeah, go for it. It's one of those vehicles. Awesome. No. Keep going like this. Just being phoned on my video.
On your Facebook, yeah, but I haven't actually seen
Very
it.
well, mate.
Do one of you guys want to be cameraman?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Fucking Fucking hell, brother! Brother! What a sick car, man. Thank you for taking us down this, Jess.
Alright, my bro, my pleasure.
A weapon. I love fucking just sharing the experience of what this car is, because it's just it's another level. Nasty! Nasty, brother! Holy shit! Yeah, man. I like how you actually have navigation in this too, bro.
GTA map, bro.
Yeah, because mine put me in some place in fucking Japan, cuz.
True that.
Yeah, bro. I was driving around Tokyo for a while.
That was like my Toyota Crown.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Oh, bro. You know, my brother. Oh, bro. We got the shakes going.
That's crazy.
Woo! Bro,
Naturally aspirated is just crazy. It's just that instant power.
Yeah, bro. Torquey as fuck. I really like the flat bottom steering wheel. Woo! Is that my old? Bro, that's my old 350.
Is that?
What the fuck?
That's cranker.
There we go. And you're fully loaded with a bunch of blokes. That's fucking straight up. Crazy. When we hear it going past the crib, well, me and my brother were thinking, I think it sounded like a fucking spaceship.
Yeah.
All we think is, fuck me, that guy must wear some fucking earplugs or something when he's driving, because that's loud as fuck from here, let alone being on top of it.
It's got pretty good soundproofing inside the car.
Yeah, well, that's done well.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Oh, brother, that's brilliant. That's fucking brilliant. How you know Doza pulled up? What you mean Doza's here?
Bro, the amount of Karens I've had already got the most fucking
brother.
death stares ever. Like,
I fucking hate you.
yeah.